Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana on this site. I have come with episode number 2, Circles and Family of Circles. Today I have brought two types of questions for you. How to find the equation of a circle when center and radius is known. And second is how to find center and radius of a circle when equation is given to you. So these questions are the basic questions which will be used many a times in dealing with other questions. So I will request you to kindly see the videos immediately after this and how to find the equation of circle and center and radius of the circle. Thank you very much. God bless you. Hello friends, I have come up with my notes on how to find equation of circle. Center and radius are given. Now look here, HK is the center and R is the radius. And the equation is x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. This is central form which we have already discussed. Now center is given to you 0 2, radius is 2. Simply h की जगह पे 0 लगा दो, k की जगह पे 2 लगा दो. So it becomes x minus 0 square plus y minus 2 square and radius is 2. This is r square 2 square. Question is done. Very simple. Now here the center is minus 2, 3 and radius is 4. So x minus h square, h is minus 2. So x minus minus 2 square plus y minus 3 square, y minus 3 square is equal to 4 square. Question is done. Simply solve this and answer will be there. Here the center is 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Radius is 1 by 12. So x minus h square, h is 1 by 2, k is 1 by 4. So y minus k square, y minus 1 by 4 square is equal to 1 by 12 square. Question is done. Very simple. Radius is 1 1, center is 1 1 and radius is root 2. So h is 1, k is 1, x minus h square, x minus 1 square, y minus k square, y minus 1 square is equal to root 2 square. Question is done. Similarly, here h is minus 3, k is 2 and radius is 4. Put the values in the formula. X minus minus 3, that is x plus 3 square plus y minus 2 square is equal to 4 square. On solving, we will get the result. Now, let us go on the other side. Now, this is just a reverse of this. This one is reverse of this. Here, center and radius was given. And in this case, we have to find the center and radius. But equation is given here. So, if there is an equation of this shape, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So, this is the general form. So, in this case, center is always minus half the coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 2g. Half of this minus g. And what is the coefficient of y here? 2f. Just write minus half of 2f. That is minus f. And the radius is g square plus f square minus c square root. So now look here. This one is the central form. X minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. This is the shape. Look here. So h will be minus 5 and k will be 3. So this is the center. 36 is 6 square. r square is, r is 6. So radius is 6. Now again, next question is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 8 equal to 0. Here 2g is, that is coefficient of x is 2g. इसका आधा कर दो 4, साइन चेंज कर दो -4. प्लस का 10 है, आधा कर दो 5, साइन चेंज कर दो -5. सो सेंटर इज -4 -5. अब रेडियस निकालना है, -4 का स्क्वायर, -5 का स्क्वायर, एंड दिस इज -8, राइट हेयर +8. So it comes 49 and square root is 7. So next, x square plus y square -4x minus 8y minus 45. Coefficient of x is -4. इसका माइनस हाफ कर दीजिए. हाफ करेंगे तो -2 और माइनस हाफ करेंगे तो 2 आ गया. इसका माइनस हाफ कर दीजिए. पहले हाफ करिए -4, उसका साइन बदल दो 4. So center is 2 4, 2 square plus 4 square. यहाँ minus constant term is -45, right, +45. So it comes √65. This is the radius. Same way, here the coefficient of x is -8. Make it half. It will be -4. Change the sign 4. It is +10. Coefficient of y is +10. Make it half 5. Change the sign -5. So 4 square plus -5 square, and constant term is -12, right, +12 here. So this becomes √53. Last one is 2x square plus 2y square minus x equal to 0. Now look here, the general form is x square plus y square. There is no 2 there. So what we will do? Divide everything by 2. इसको 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, it will become x square. Divide 2y square by 2, it will become y square. Divide x by 2, it will be x by 2. So now the general form is there. So coefficient of x is here -1 by 2. इसका हाफ कर देंगे 1 by 4, माइनस हाफ करेंगे तो 1, प्लस का 1 by 4. y is not there, so coefficient of y is 0, so it will be 0. So 1 by 4 square plus 0 square, there is no constant term, -0, r is 1 by 4. So this is how we have to find the center and radius when equation is given, and how to find the equation when center and radius are given. I have told you both the cases, and it is very, very easy, and within seconds you can do the question. Thank you very much. God bless you. Keep on watching my videos. If you like it, please do subscribe it so that I feel motivated. Thank you very much. God bless you.